Alright, my champions, welcome to Dr. Saurabh Sir's classes, and today's question is straight from the legendary ISI BStat and BMath entrance examination, which by the way is not an examination, it's a personality test of your brain. And ISI does not check how much you have memorized, it checks how you think. And today's problem is a classic example of turning the calculus into the inequality magic. So let's read the question first. Using the identity log x equal to integration 1 to z 1 by t dt, x greater than 0 or otherwise, prove that 1 by n plus 1 is less than equal to log of 1 plus 1 by n less than equal to 1 by n for all integers n greater than equal to 1. Okay, so let's solve this. Okay, so we are given log x equal to integration 1 to x 1 by t dt and x greater than 0. Now using this we have to prove this equation. Okay, now first, don't jump into solving. ISI loves students who pause and think. And we are told log x is this. So for our case, log of 1 plus 1 by n will be equal to integration 1 to 1 plus 1 by n 1 by t dt. And that is the key transformation. Okay, so now imagine a curve y equal to 1 by t. So basically this is the real trick. Logarithms are secretly areas under the curves, right? So we thought y is equal to 1 by t. Now this function is decreasing for t greater than 0, right? Now think of 1 by t as your motivation level after examination. Starts high, then slowly decreases. So we are integrating from 1 to 1 plus 1 by n, right? And since the function is decreasing, the maximum value in this interval is 1 by 1, that is 1, and minimum, that is 1 by 1 plus 1 by n. Now for a decreasing function, length of interval into minimum value is less than equal to f, less than equal to length into max value. Okay, so length of the interval is what? That is 1 plus 1 by n minus 1, that is 1 by n, right? And lower bound is like integration 1 to 1 plus 1 by n 1 by t dt is greater than equal to 1 by n into 1 by 1 plus 1 by n. Now simplify, so we get 1 by n into n by n plus 1 is equal to 1 by n plus 1. And now come back to the upper bound. So upper bound is like integration 1 to 1 plus 1 by n 1 by t dt, that is less than equal to 1 by n into 1, that is 1 by n. Okay, so what will be the final result for this? So basically what is the final result? The final result is 1 by n plus 1 less than equal to log of 1 plus 1 by n less than equal to 1 by n. Okay, so you did not calculate the integral, you controlled it, and that's the ISI thinking. And this result is actually the backbone of the harmonic series approximation. Second is the logarithmic bounds. And the limit proofs like this. Okay, so we have just solved a classic question from the ISI BStat and BMath. Okay, and we will meet at the next session. Till then guys, bye bye, and keep learning and keep growing with us.